Last year was a great year. I made over $116,000 day trading, and I did it virtually risk-free. You may be wondering, how could you make so much money while risking so little? Well, the quick answer is prop firms! And stick to the end of the video to not only learn how to do risk-free trading, but also how I was able to make life-changing money using prop firms. Why use prop firms when you can use your own money? Well, you could. And that's how it used to be in the old days, like 2 years ago. You used to have to risk your own hard-earned money to trade. When I first started day trading, I lost thousands of dollars just trying to learn how to day trade. You had to pay for licenses, market data, keep large margins, and risk your own money. That's the old way of trading. Now, today, people have moved away from risking their own money to trading with prop firms. Prop firms allow you to trade the futures markets. The futures market might sound daunting, but it's not. It's actually really simple. It's just like trading the stock market, but being able to day trade with virtually no risk, no margins, and with leverage. Prop firms allow you to trade risk-free because they use their own funds to fund your trading. It's like going to the stock market and then someone handing you thousands of dollars of their own money to trade, but only because they trust you. In order to get funded, you'll need to pass an evaluation, which usually consists of being able to trade a simulation account and reach a certain profit target without reaching too much drawdown. Once you pass the evaluation, that's it. You're funded. And now you can trade without risking your own capital. Not only is your trading risk-free, but right now, at the release of this video, you can use code BBM80 to get 80% off any Apex evaluation for the lifetime of the evaluation. That means you can start an eval with as little as $32 to become funded. For more information, check the description. Prop firms have recently gotten very popular, so there's a lot to choose from. How do you choose which one is best? After many months of research, there is one that stands leagues above the rest, and that's Apex Trader Funding. There are 3 criteria on how to choose a good prop firm. Number 1 is reliability. This is by far the most important. The prop firm must be reliable to make payouts. Reliability comes from having a good history of payouts. Apex has had the most payouts out of any other prop firm with over $18 million in payouts. I personally was able to make over $116,000 in just 1 year. Number 2 criteria is rules. How good are the rules for trading evaluations, trading funded accounts, and withdrawing your funds? So many prop firms have restrictions and rules for passing evaluations, such as daily drawdowns, multi-step evaluations, scaling in contract sizes, maximum number of days to pass evals. Apex actually has the best rules for evaluations because it has the least. You can trade how you want, when you want. The only thing that you have to worry about are trailing drawdowns to pass evaluations. The third criteria in finding the best prop firm is how good is their customer service. Apex has world-class customer service since it was created with the customer in mind. They always cater their rules and resolutions to best satisfy the customer first. And for these 3 reasons, this is why Apex is the #1 prop firm for futures trading. Now the part everyone has been waiting for. How did I make life-changing money virtually risk-free? The answer is opening multiple accounts with Apex and using a trade copier. The most powerful thing about using Apex is not even that it's risk-free, but it's the fact that you can open up to 20 accounts and use a trade copier to trade all the accounts at once. Why is it so powerful? Well, it's simple, because of math. The math is easy to find out how much you can make in 1 year. You take the amount of trading days there are in a year, 250, and multiply that by how many accounts you have, say 20, which equals 5,000. Now you get that number and multiply that by how much you can make on average per day. Let's use $100, since that's how much money you can make with one single scalp on the S&P 500 futures market. That comes out to be $500,000 a year. With one account, you can only make about $25,000. But with the trade copier, that $25,000 turns into $500,000. And this is how I was able to make over 100K, not only in 1 year, but if you look closely, in only 2 months, all with virtually no risk. If you want more information about the trade copier, you can look in the description. Well, that's it. You're all set. So, what are you waiting for? Go right now. Sign up right now. And if you sign up right now, you get off 80% off any evaluation with code BBM80. Subscribe to this channel and get the latest Apex news and promos. Also, we trade futures live every single day, risk-free, using Apex. If you'd like a community to trade with, subscribe and join us during the stream 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time every single day. Hope to see you there.